sounds of A. That means phonic sounds of A. C-A-T cat, B-A-T bat, H-A-T hat, F-A-N fan, P-A-N pen, T-A-P tap. Now we are going to study about the sounds of E. Phonic sounds of E. H-E-N hen, N-E-T net, P-E-N pen, J-E-T jet, P-E-T pet, T-E-N ten. Now let us study about the sounds of phonic sounds of I. S-I-T sit, P-I-N pin, T-I-N tin, B-I-N bin, P-I-T pit, D-I-G dig. Let us see about the phonic sounds of O. D-O-G dog, B-O-X box, L-O-G log, T-O-P top, P-O-T pot, B-O-N bun. Likewise, we are going to study about the sounds of phonic sounds of U. G-U-N gun, S-U-N sun, C-U-P cup, B-U-S bus, F-U-N fun, P-U-P pup. So these are the phonic sounds of A and E and I, O and U. So thank you for watching Learning Banka TV.